Listen, I am here thinking this dessert is a coconut cream of sorts. And it's just in a coconut shell. Nothing could be further from the truth, my loves. This coconut shell is made out of chocolate. Can I just tell you? My gosh. This is a welcome amenity. All right. This is good stuff right here. So my shell, I have one whole chocolate shell to eat. My word. Y'all need to come and help me. Serious business. This is serious. So good. All right. I'll finish it up and tell you all about it. My God. People, this is a place to be. Why are you not here? Y'all need to be here. Come on. Share Fantastic Travels and Resorts Limited. You know we're all about the fun. Book now.